In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add the Spotify widget to your iPhone, making it quick and easy for you to access your favorite music right from your lock screen. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to enhance your iPhone experience with the Spotify widget, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's make accessing your Spotify tunes even more convenient on your iPhone. Download and open the Spotify app. Log into your account and play any songs you'd like to hear. After that, long press anywhere on the home screen, enter Edit Mode, and scroll down to find Spotify in the widget list. Select your preferred widget size, then click Add Widget. Drag the widget to your desired location on the home screen and click Done at the top right corner to complete the setup. Now, your Spotify widget is ready to go. You can play, skip, and control your music right from your home screen. I hope this guide makes adding the Spotify widget to your iPhone home screen a breeze. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable guides from Media Magnet Guide.